The Keywords Planner Shine Ranker Review. The Keywords Planner Shine Ranker is an excellent SEO tool that helps you find low-competition keywords that can help you get a top spot on Google and Bing. It also offers a variety of other useful features that make it an ideal choice for small businesses. Keyword research. The first step in your search engine optimization campaign is to identify what keywords your target audience is using to find what they are looking for online. A great way to do this is by using Ubersuggest, which will give you hundreds of relevant keyword suggestions. Competitor analysis. The next step in your keyword research is to check out what your competitors are ranking for, and if they are also targeting the same keywords you are. This is an important step in your keyword research because it can help you determine what you should be targeting. Project management. The project management dashboard in Shine Ranker is very easy to use and allows you to organize your projects. It lets you assign URLs for each project and save keywords and content for each one. Site audit. The Shine Ranker SEO tool has an audit function that will show you how your website ranks in organic search. This can help you to find any errors that may be causing your ranking to drop. The Shine Ranker SEO tool has a very simple and user-friendly interface that is perfect for beginners and professionals. Its search engine optimization features are very easy to use, and its pricing is reasonable. Sign up today.